Power goes out. Panic sets in. Most of us rush to buy expensive emergency kits, but let's be real. They gather dust, and you forget how to use them. The best blackout tools, they're already in your home, cheap, and surprisingly effective. With storms getting worse and outages lasting longer, everyone needs to be prepared, not just preppers. Today, I'll show you 9 unexpected, budget-friendly items that will transform your blackout experience. We'll build, test, and demo each one, so you can see how powerful simple hacks can be. Forget overpriced gear. These clever tricks could save your family during the next outage. Let's get started. First up, crayons. Yes, crayons. Each one can double as a candle in a pinch. Light the paper wrapper, and you'll get a steady flame for up to 30 minutes. Darker crayons like black or brown burn longer than lighter ones, thanks to their carbon-based pigments. Quick test. I'm lighting a black and a yellow crayon side by side. The black one outlasts the yellow by several minutes. Safety tip. Always use a fire-safe dish and keep away from kids. This hack turns a forgotten art supply into a reliable emergency light. Set aside a few dark crayons in your kit. They're almost free and incredibly useful. Forget fancy candles. A box of crayons is your new blackout MVP. Just remember, safety first. The yellow crayon fizzles out, but the black one keeps going. That's science and smart prepping. Simple, effective, and right in your junk drawer. Crayons, not just for coloring anymore. Your phone's flashlight is harsh and focused, great for finding keys, terrible for lighting a room. Here's the fix. Place a full, translucent water jug over your flashlight. The water diffuses the light, turning a spotlight into a glowing lantern. Instantly, the whole room is bathed in soft, even light. No more dark corners. This works with any clear container milk jugs, soda bottles, whatever you have. It's a 2-in-1 emergency light and water storage. For best results, use a wide base jug for stability. No need for expensive lanterns, just basic physics and a little creativity. Next blackout, grab that water jug and light up the room. It's a dramatic improvement in comfort and safety. Simple, fast, and free. Your living room just got a lot brighter. Brilliant, literally. Those solar garden lights lining your walkway? They're blackout gold. Before a storm, bring them inside and stick them in jars or bottles around your house. They charge all day, then provide free, battery-free light all night. Place them in bathrooms, bedrooms, and hallways for safe navigation. Recharge them outside each morning. Repeat as needed. They're not super bright, but multiple small lights are comforting and practical. No batteries to worry about, no extra cost. Your yard is hiding a distributed renewable lighting network. Collect them before the next outage. You'll be glad you did. The smartest emergency lights are already in your garden. Summer blackout? The air gets hot and still, unbearable and even dangerous. Enter the battery-powered air mattress pump. It's not a fan, but it moves air, breaking up stagnant heat and making rooms feel cooler. Quick demo. Turn it on, and you'll see air circulate instantly. This helps sweat evaporate, keeps you comfortable, and even improves air quality. These pumps run for hours on D-cell batteries. Stagnant air can cause headaches and fatigue. Circulation makes a huge difference. Dig out your pump, add fresh batteries, and keep it with your emergency supplies. It's a small tool with a big impact. Comfort and health, all from something you already own. Unconventional, but it works. The humble manual can opener. Most overlooked, most critical. In a blackout, your electric opener is useless, and cheap manual ones often break. I tested several. The bargain bin model struggled, bent, and nearly failed. A quality opener? Smooth, easy, reliable, no frustration, no injuries. Spend a little more for a sturdy, well-reviewed brand. Test it before an emergency, then store it with your supplies. Don't let a broken opener keep you from your food stash. It's a tiny investment with a massive payoff. Buy one for emergencies, one for daily use. Don't risk being stuck with cans you can't open. The can opener, your emergency kit's unsung hero. Simple, essential, and often forgotten. Don't make that mistake. Your phone is your lifeline in a blackout, but only if it's charged. Cheap, pocket-sized solar chargers are too slow to be useful. The key: get a charger with large, foldable panels. In a real test, a small charger barely hit 12% in 4 hours. A big panel hit 75%. Angle it toward the sun and reposition as needed for best results. Avoid overheating the panel. Shade helps efficiency. A good solar charger means you can call for help, get updates, and stay connected. Don't cheap out. Invest in a quality, high-capacity model. It's your emergency communication link. Practice using it before you need it. When the grid is down, this is your connection to the world. Power and peace of mind, all from the sun. Worth every penny. Hygiene is crucial in a blackout, physically and mentally. No power means no hot water, maybe no running water at all. Baby wipes are a game changer. No water needed, long shelf life, and cheap. Use them for hands, face, or a full-body wipe down. Staying clean boosts morale and keeps you grounded. It's a small act that restores normalcy and dignity. Wipes also help prevent illness when sanitation is down. Stock up on unscented baby wipes. They're versatile and essential for hygiene, cleaning, or even as backup toilet paper. Cleanliness is a survival tool. Don't overlook it. Cold food gets old fast. Hot meals lift spirits and restore normalcy. A propane camping stove is the answer. Cheap, easy, and reliable. Only use it outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Practice safe setup, open garage or covered porch, never inside. A hot meal is comfort and control in chaos. Always have a battery-powered CO detector as backup. Practice using your stove before an emergency. Invest in a few propane canisters. They last for years. The smell and sound of cooking is a huge morale boost. Hot food is more than fuel, it's hope. Cook safely and keep spirits high. Out of bottled water? Your washing machine holds a secret stash. After a cycle, 2 to 5 gallons of clean water remain in the drum and hoses. Unplug the machine, pull out the drain hose, and let gravity fill your bucket. Check the filter trap for even more water. It's not your first choice for drinking, but perfect for flushing toilets or cleaning. Boil if you must drink it, but it's best for sanitation. Most people never realize this resource exists. Your laundry room is an emergency water tank in disguise. Know how to access it before you need it. Hidden resources are everywhere. Just look closer. 9 simple, clever tools, most already in your home, can make blackouts a breeze. Preparation isn't about fear, it's about confidence and resilience. Start building your kit now. Grab that air pump, a quality can opener, and teach your family these hacks. Most cost under $30 and serve daily uses, not just emergencies. Smart prepping is about using what you have, not spending a fortune. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.